Okay, I got this tablet that I sit on, and now the screen is black. And went on YouTube and I looked up how to get it back going. First, you need some of these tools right here that you got from Amazon, and some gloves. And these tools right here come in a little kit. This kit right here. All this stuff come with the little kit. Let's look up telephone repair or tablet repair tool kit. This is what you'll get. I'm not gonna show you everything, but these are tools you got all this stuff right here. Little cloth cleaning with, little knife, tweezers, other little prying tools. A lot of you don't use these prying tools to keep from getting the stuff scratched up. Don't use your knife, stuff like that, unless you don't really care about your stuff. A little ruler come with it, and a metal piece too that you can probably pry. Something you can probably pry with, but all this costs about $11 on Amazon. You need that. All this stuff here. I didn't see that. I don't know what that is, but it got to be something. It's for something. This come with it. For your work area. Leave that one out here. Leave that one out here. Leave that one. Leave that one. See which one I'm gonna need. They said it takes a while to do this, but I started on a little bit and I didn't get far with it. But I did know, and also you got to take out your, if you got a card in there, the SD card, take your SD card out. Now I did notice that when you take the SD card, its plastic is kind of loose right here, so I think it'd be a good place to start at to take this off. You got what this? You gotta dig in right here. I know the lighting probably ain't good. You gotta dig in right here to pry this shiny plastic piece up. I'm gonna go ahead and get it up, and I'll be right back with you. Right back with you. Just hold tight. Once I get started with it, let's see what's going on with it. Yeah. Yeah, they said it'd take about 15 minutes, so we'll try another two. See which one works best. Look at this one right here is a little wider than that one. We'll try the white one in there. Oh, that looking better right there. Got some wet in. Yeah. Oh, we getting somewhere. They give you a lot of tools. You have to fool with it and see which one will work best for you. See, I got it coming. Then go all the way around with it. These gloves supposed to help keep from getting fingerprints all over stuff. And I imagine some of this electronic stuff you probably don't need to be putting hands on it. All that oil and stuff off your skin. I'm going around here. Got it started. I need to finish it now. These gloves are pretty good. It's kind of slick and it's seem to be holding on pretty good in there. Also, I'm surprised I can pick up stuff with these gloves, the small stuff. These gloves cost about $10 for about eight. 4 pair of gloves. You get about 8. I think it's 4 pair. That's a bunch of gloves. They're pretty cheap. Yeah, I got started here, what I needed. Keep getting in there. Everything ain't easy. And I took this to the shop. Well, I didn't take the shop. I stopped by the electronic shop and I told the guy my problem. He told me to talk about $100 to get it fixed. At least $100. I paid $200 for this thing. Man. They're going around that corner there. We get somewhere. Everything ain't easy. It might be why they won't charge you so much. Damn.
white gloves. Hat on, white gloves on.
It's my wife. She messing with me. I'm trying to do something, baby. I put my hat on. I need a haircut. Need shave too. I'm on church tomorrow. Clean up tomorrow. I'm making video as I'm working on it. You wanna help me? I gotta get around this corner right here. It's coming. You right there? It's coming. Yeah, I don't know the best way to do this. It's my first time doing that. I already brought another one of these. This is just see if I can fix it. See, I sat on this thing. It was working real. It was working fine. I had no problem. But I sit on it, and it never did come back on again. I had it on. When I sit on it, it went out and came back on again. And I use the thing right here for help use a remote for the smart TV and play games on it. I can play games a lot better with a tablet than you can a telephone. Oh shit. Disaster. I'm gonna show it to you anyway. I gotta be careful I don't break that out. That kind of thin right there. See the little hole right there? Look at it. Like it might break. Already broke a little bit. I gotta be careful with that. Come back on this side. There we go. Now. Wow. And what they were saying is this car right here is the one that supplies power to the string. And they was suggesting that this is what my problem is. When I sit on it, probably mashed and pull this loose right here. I know, looking at it. I'm gonna go back to the video and I get back with you. Okay, this was loose here. Now I gotta try to figure out how to get it back in there tight. Oh, it's going back in there.
He can fight, yeah. He doesn't look the part, but the thing is, don't underestimate him. If you take him lightly, he will upset you.
A chance to expand on his 32-1-0 resume and to include
They're really good. I'm trying to do a little better.
life-changing money on the table.
Okay.
Expect Ruiz to bring everything.
Try to turn it on there.
Those three belts dangling for the taking. Don't be surprised if there are some early dramas come fight night. Just 5 miles down the road,
Come on, baby.
Wilder disposed of Brazil. The two will walk out into one of boxing's most historic
I'm
venues.
big too. It doesn't really how big you are in this game, you know. So I'm a big fighter, combination fighter. So I'm here to win.
Nothing yet.
And whilst Ruiz has fought at world level before, fighting Joshua is
They gonna turn it on.
different occasion. Whether he
Look at that
can
little
perform
button
on the
right
biggest
there.
stage of them all is another question.
Let me check one more thing.
Accurate display of just how different the two fighters are. Despite being separated by just a month in age, the two 29-year-olds vary in almost every other way. Ruiz, who has identical height to reach ratio, comes in with a major disadvantage size-wise. Just 6'2", whilst being large for someone of Mexican descent, still puts him 4 inches short of the break. And with his short reach making him reliant on timing and accuracy, Joshua will be looking to pop shot the Mexican to create openings. Ruiz Jr. has more out-and-out boxing experience, though is yet to break through at elite level,
Nothing yet.
whereas Joshua has done more in less
Oh,
time.
baby, I gotta have you.
The Mexican is durable, but just how durable once he plays the power.
You got your Ford battery charger.
Okay, check this out.
Battery charger. And
See that?
this is,
See
tire
that?
inflator.
Bam.
I've never had a tire inflator that worked, you know. They give you
And what I did,
the button inflator
I had to go to YouTube.
You got a big
YouTube is great.
it's not gonna work.
See the connection right here?
You and your wife are going on a trip. You can maybe put one pair
Each one of these right here supply power to. This is the battery. It's right here, the string connector. And there's a little line that's lining straight up across there on the cable and on the circuit board. It just got to be plugged in to, and it got to line up to make sure that it's lined up correctly. And to get this one up right here, first I just shoved it in there, you know, and then I finally went on YouTube and I saw where the guy told me you had to put up this little piece right here, slide up in there, and then push the little brown piece back down. This one got the same thing on it. It's a little line right there. Put up on this right here, slide in there, and then push it back down. Same thing, this one right here, and it's got one right here. That took care of the problem. That took care of the problem. So now I just got to put the I'm gonna cut it off, and I'm gonna put the backing plate on. Then I'm gonna turn it back on. And that's what those guys they be charging you probably at least $100. They probably at least get about $100. They probably at least charge about half of what it would cost to get it fixed and on it. And when you tell them what's wrong, what happened, it's not powering up. They know exactly more like what it is. It's gonna be those problems now, or it's gonna be the battery. And they'll get in there, they'll check it out. And then the battery, if it's the battery, it's gonna cost you even more. If you need to get a battery, just take it apart and get this little number right here. That's gonna be right here. It's gonna be your part number for your battery. It's SNDL1J923A//X-B for this Samsung SM-7 SM-T585 Samsung. But that's it. It's I'm glad I got it done. Show it again. Give me something there. See, there it is. Let's do it. I'll be back.
Yeah, in the cyber carbon brakes, I can't remember which, but they're unbelievable. I mean,
Yeah, I want to make a correction. This number here is that's the number for the
Russell
cable,
has enough
and this is the number for
done for you. I mean, a lot of it
the
is
tablet itself. SM-T580.
pretty flawlessly. It's been very, very hot here this week in Los Angeles. Well over 100.
The cable.
And I've been out.
This is for the whole thing here. And the battery number is this number down here. What I gave you to you earlier.
Work fine. It doesn't.
Good.
The paddle shifter. This is very basic air conditioning control, which I like.
Just put it back in place. Make sure that you line up where the
I don't like when they have to get on the screen and then put
SD card go.
slide down. Because I'm taking
And
mine
the
out.
on and off switch, volume. Make sure you got that all lined up.
Push the start button right
Then
there.
fit right in there.
Let me show you how this feature works. Start it up.
Yeah.
Watch it.
He's trying to get it back in there. Make it pop it back in there.
Goes right down again. Not a quiet car by any stretch of the imagination. And it probably gets a little loud when you're inside it, but that's what this car's built for. It's a race car. You do not have to have a quiet mode on it, and it makes it very fun to drive, you know. I don't know anybody who drive a car like this.
Okay, power back up. Let's see if we're ready to go back to the customer.
More comfortable. I mean,
There it is.
it's a bit
Bam!
more comfortable.
And I did it. So that's it. That's it, YouTubers. And some of y'all probably got the same problem. Just watch my video and there's other videos on YouTube. I'm gonna put this on YouTube. This be my first time doing something like this. But there it is. Have a good day.